Hello, I'm Chef David Rose, and I'm the executive chef and spokesperson for Omaha Steaks. Living and being a chef in Atlanta for the last 18 years, you can see I know a little bit about chicken wings. You got buffalo, honey hot, barbecue, teriyaki, lemon pepper wet, lemon pepper dry, jerk wings, and garlic Parmesan wings. One of my favorites. Today on the menu, we're making garlic Parmesan wings with a jalapeno ranch. You gotta have something to dip it in, right? Omaha Steaks has these awesome, pre-cooked, pre-seasoned wings with a really great smoke flavor. First, I toss the wings in flour, buttermilk, seasoned flour, cornstarch for that extra crunch, fry till golden brown, then I add garlic butter, Parmesan cheese, and parsley. I bet you just can't have one. I'm double dipping, and I don't care.